Okay. Hey guys, so now we're gonna board the plane. Here it is. So we're just going in the afternoon. Ryanair. Low fares, made simple.
Jeremiah, look, Ryanair.
There's another Ryanair. There's a Ryanair peeing over there. It's peeing. Look. Look what Ryanair's doing. Oh, they're just looking at Ryanair. Let's look at this Ryanair. This one is Buzz. Is it that one?